In this video, I will show how to change background image and colors in Canva. So guys, if you have already any image, so you need click on this background and search any picture. Click on elements, search any picture, right click on your picture and replace background. So this way you can change background. If you have your own picture, so upload your picture. Same, right click on it and replace background. You want to use color, so in this left side panel, click on background. Here you can select any color. And there are some more options. You can use patterns, gradients. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.